Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to think like a recruiter on LinkedIn step by step in 2026 so you can make your profile stand out and get noticed faster. Most people treat LinkedIn like a social network, but recruiters see it as a database of talent. Every profile is a potential match for open roles. If you want to get found, you need to see your profile from their perspective. Step 1. Focus on keywords. Recruiters search using job titles, skills, and tools. Think about what they might type when looking for someone like you. For example, instead of just marketing specialist, consider including digital marketing, SEO, Google Ads, content strategy. These keywords increase the chances you appear in searches. Step 2. Structure your profile for scanning. Recruiters usually spend seconds per profile. Your headline, current role, and skills need to clearly show your expertise. Use bullet points in your experience and start each point with action verbs. Make it easy for a recruiter to see your achievements at a glance. Step 3. Highlight measurable results. Recruiters are not just looking for titles, they want proof. Include metrics like increased web traffic by 45% in 6 months, or managed a $200,000 campaign budget. Numbers make your profile credible and searchable. Step 4. Be searchable in skills and endorsements. Recruiters filter by skills. Add all relevant technical and soft skills to your profile. Get endorsements from colleagues, mentors, or clients to strengthen credibility. Step 5. Show activity and engagement. Active profiles rank higher. Post insights, share articles, or comment on industry content. Recruiters are more likely to contact people who appear active and responsive. Step 6. Use Open to Work strategically. Turn on Open to Work with recruiter-only visibility. This signals availability without broadcasting it publicly. Recruiters often filter profiles with this tag. Step 7. Think network first. Recruiters favor profiles with connections in common. Connect with colleagues, alumni, and industry peers. Your profile is more likely to surface in searches if you share mutual links with the recruiter. Step 8. Update and optimize continuously. Recruiters save searches and get notified when new candidates appear. Updating your profile with new skills, certifications, or experiences can suddenly make you visible in multiple saved searches. So, to think like a recruiter, focus on keywords, structure your profile for scanning, show measurable results, add relevant skills, stay active, turn on Open to Work. Grow your network update regularly, and that's how to think like a recruiter on LinkedIn step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LinkedIn career growth tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.